Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best tennis balls available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Wilson Tennis Ball. It all comes down to the passion and commitment to elevate the game of tennis for millions of players everywhere, and you can't argue with results. These innovations have helped Wilson lead on tour, with more Grand Slams being won with a Wilson racket than any other brand. The future is built on the foundation of grassroots and it fuels the next generation of tennis players. This is more than just a game. At number 5 we have Gamma Tennis Ball. This tennis ball bucket contains pressureless tennis balls that won't lose any pressure over time, that's providing you with consistent performance and durability, unlike standard pressurized balls that will lose pressure over time. They'll never lose their bounce and will offer you endless tennis fun for the perfect price. The great versatility of pressureless balls allows them to be used on any type of courts, hard or soft, without any issues. This makes them ideal for teaching and will allow you to enjoy your tennis sessions on any soft court or hard court surface under any circumstances. The sturdy and reusable bucket-o balls will come in very handy when you want to transport your tennis balls. At number 4 we have Lobster Tennis Ball. The Lobster Sports Elite 2 tennis ball machine is built with unique triple oscillation. It oscillates both vertically and horizontally, the first engineering design in tennis ball machines to simulate match play. This tennis ball machine was designed to hold up against frequent use. Weighing only 42 pounds, the Elite 2 is easy to load into your vehicle and unload. The durable Elite 2 challenges tennis players of all levels. Lobster Sports has designed the Elite 2 with a long-lasting, high-capacity battery. At number 3 we have Spinshot Tennis Ball. The square shape and extendable handle make the machine easy to transfer and store. The machine measures only 12x12x18 and weights of only 10 kilograms. It can be easily stored in any car's trunk. The metal design will always make your machine shine on the court. At number 2 we have On-Court Tennis Ball. It is easy to transport and equipped with a unique ridged roller for a smooth and effortless ball pickup. 2 extra back wheels make it easy to tilt and roll over small bumps on walkways. The basket on top of the cart allows you to easily feed balls to players without stretching down to grab them. Another great feature is that the unit picks up regular tennis balls, plus red, orange and green transition balls. At number 1 we have an S-Oil Tennis Ball. The tennis serving machine with multi-tracks can hold 30 tennis balls. The throwing distance can be adjusted in 4 levels. The 3-shot frequencies can meet the different needs of the tennis beginners and tennis proficients. This elevated design is more suitable for high volleys. This automatically rotary base can help you practice pace adjustment ability. The tennis machine is suitable for almost all tennis balls except one kind whose diameter is 2.95 inch. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best tennis balls for your need.